Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters, and welcome back to those who went on vacation. I have not seen for several days, and you are here, back to reality, back to work. After the fireworks, back works. Basically, there are two questions being asked of John. The first question is, who? Who are you? Are you the Christ? And the second question is, what? What are you doing? And I think for John, what is important or more important is that not the question of who am I? Because his questioners, the people who question him, seem to be interested more in knowing who John is. Are you the Christ? Meaning, are you the Messiah? We had been expecting the Messiah for centuries. Are you the one? Are you Elijah, who in the Old Testament is believed to be coming or returning before the Messiah comes, kind of forerunner? But for John, though his own identity is important, for him, what is more important is the question of what. And that is his mission. What is my mission? Why am I here? The identity is to the who, mission is to the what. And John said in the gospel, I am the voice of one crying out in the desert, make straight the way of the Lord. That is his mission, to be the voice of truth, to be the voice of conscience, to be the voice that will make people prepare for the coming of the Messiah. In other words, John sees himself as the forerunner of the Messiah. Identity and mission. My dear brothers and sisters, as we begin another year, let us ask ourselves also, not about our own identity. We know who we are. I am a priest. You are lay men and women. Some of you are married. Others are not. That is the identity. But the question that is, I think, more important is, what is my mission? Bakit ako nandito sa mundong ito? Bakit ako nilikha ng Diyos? Bakit pa niya ako patuloy na binibigyan ng buhay? Bakit hindi ako namatay noong nakaraang taon? Bakit nandito pa ako? Ano ang mission ko sa buhay? Because once we discover what our mission is, then identity will have meaning. Kasi kahit na alam mo kung sino ka, pero hindi mo naman alam kung ano ang iyong misyon, para kang tuyong kahoy na inaanod ng tubig sa ilog, dadalhin kung saan gusto ng tubig. Identity and mission. Maybe that is one we should try to discover. What is my mission in life? In relation to this, I remember a quotation. It says, who we are is God's gift to us. Who we are. We are born male or female. We are born this year or in this season, in this time. Who we are is God's gift to us. We do not make choice. But what we become is our gift to God. Who we are is God's gift to us. what we become, what we made of ourselves, is our gift to God. Amen.